Now I need to find out the equivalent resistance in this example. So here, these three resistance, they are on the same row, so they are in series. So equivalent is going to be 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is going to be 15. Oh, so it's going to be like that. So that's going to be 15. This one is going to be 15, 10, and 2.5. Now, as you see here, these two, they are in parallel. So when you find the equivalent to parallel resistance, we need to use this formula. 1 over RT equals to 1 over 15 plus 1 over 15. It's going to be 2 over 15. So RT will be 15 divided by 2, which is going to be 7.5 ohm. So that is going to change to something like this circuit. And then we have 2.5, 7.5, and 10. 2.5 plus 7.5 is going to be 10. 10 plus 10 is going to be 20. So our total is going to be 20 ohm for the whole circuit.